Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick bead haul of some beads I got from a few different shops recently. I thought I'd show you what I got and what all the colours are called and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to start with this one, and this is the website. I actually got these from Etsy, but this is their website if you want to check them out. So beadsmouse.co.uk. And I just picked up two different size 6 seed beads from there, and they also sent me a little sample, which is nice. So I went for these Toho size 6 seed beads. I don't have many Toho beads, but I always really like the shape of them when I do have them. It's just that they're not as easy for me to get hold of. But this is Perma-Finish Silver Lined Milky Jonquil, which is a really nice pale yellow with like a sheen to it. So I went for that, and then also from there I also got size 6 Toho Silver Lined Milky Peach, because I'm going to be starting on working on some spring kind of designs. So that was all I got from the first shop. Next shop that I ordered from is this one. Again, I ordered on their Etsy shop, but they actually do have a website here. I'm not sure if it's international shipping or not, but that's Bead Garden. So from there I've got these 4mm fire polished glass crystal AB. 50 of those. Let me get them out so you can see properly. So pretty. They're really sparkly. So what I really want to do is start using different shapes and sizes of beads instead of just using tiny seed beads all the time, because that's what I used to do, and then I got kind of stuck into just using seed beads all the time. So I got some different beads, different sizes to experiment with. So that is those, and there you can see they were £2.70 for 50. Next I got some 6mm fire polish beads in lilac metallic ice, 25 of those. So these are a little bit bigger. And so sparkly, and pink is my favourite colour. These are gorgeous. Can't wait to use those. And then I went with another really nice spring kind of colour. It's called Light Lemon Yellow. It kind of looks almost like a lime green in person, like a really pale lime green. And this again is a 6mm fire polish bead, and there's 50 in this pack. I just love how sparkly the fire polish beads are. And then finally from that shop as well, I got 6mm fire polish crystal vitriol light. So pretty. So they got like one half is this silver colour, and then the other half is like a clear, it shines pink and green and all different colours. So pretty. And I got 50 of those, they were £3. So that was all for that shop. And then next was another shop on Etsy. I'll have to double check. I'll leave all the shops that I ordered from, I'll leave a link for them all down below. But these came really fast as well. So colourful. So first of all, I got these. I can't remember the size of these. I haven't actually got my bead caliper with me. They got one hole, and they're kind of like red, but they've got like a sunset. They've got a yellow, orangey yellow going through them as well. Don't know if you can see that. And these are glass. You can kind of see it there, how it shines red and yellow. So these are like glass rectangles. And then I got these, which was like an imitation jade glass oval bead. So nice. I've actually been using these already, which is why they're all opened up. And then 2 packets, because I think I got 100 of these, maybe. This is another imitation jade 4mm round bead, glass again. I love these colours all together for some spring designs. And then these, which is the same size, glass imitation jade coral colour, and they're actually, when you start using them, they don't look as bright as this individually. And then my favourite one, which is this, again it's a 4mm glass imitation jade in this really nice lilac colour, which is so pretty. And then I got these, which I think is so cute. I'll get one out and show you. These are glass as well. These are little glass fish beads, and the hole actually goes down through the fish that way, so through there, rather than like that way I would have expected, but it actually goes through that way. How cute are these? Little glass fish. Can't wait to use these. I've got like a good quantity of them as well. So that was all from that shop. I'm just going to move those back a little bit because I got quite a lot from the next one. So the next shop I ordered from, well, I actually went to in person, but usually I order on the website, was Spellbound Bead Company, which is in Lichfield. That's the name of the shop, and there's the website. So I always order from there usually, but I actually went to visit the shop recently, which was really nice, and had a good look round, and this is what I got. So first of all, I did get this spring petal mix, £3.95, 100 grams of glass beads. These are glass, and they're all different colours, and they're all gorgeous colours. Some really nice spring ones here. I've actually been making this. You can see I've used some of these, and I used one of these in the centre. So nice. So can't wait to use all these, get them out and look at all the different colours that are in there. So nice. And then I got a load of seed beads, a bunch of the size 8 seed beads. So if you can hear my dog, she's having a drink just below us. So I've got some size 8. So first of all, and these are Miyuki, size 8 translucent eucalyptus, which I love. I've had this in the size 11 before, so I got size 8. So when I'm working with bigger glass beads and things, sometimes you need a bigger seed bead to go in between. And then again, Miyuki lime lined crystal AB. So the AB is just the rainbow finish that you can see when I get up close like that. So nice. And you get, I can't remember how many grams you get in one of these. It's a little bit more than 10 grams, I think. It's more like, well, in the size 11 it is at least, it's about 15 grams, I think. But yeah. And then I got this one. Again, this is a Miyuki, size 8 crystal AB. It's just a clear bead with the rainbow finish, so pretty. And then I got this, which is gorgeous. So this is Miyuki Cobalt Picasso. So the Picasso finish has almost like a painted effect, which is where I presume it gets its name from. Love this one so much. I can't wait to use these. And then the last of the size 8s that I got is This one, again, this is a Miyuki Duracoat Opaque Spring Green. Just to go with all my spring colours that I got. And they actually all look really nice together as well. So then I got a few size 11s. So all the size 11s that I got are all Miyuki. They do actually have a really good selection also of Preciosa seed beads there, but I just didn't happen to get any of those this time. So these are all size 11 Miyuki seed beads. First one is Light Sapphire AB. This is a restock because I've already got this, but it's just gorgeous. I use it all the time. Look at that rainbow. Next one is Light Yellow Lined Crystal AB. I'm really into the rainbow finishes right now. So sparkly. It just does give everything a bit more of a sparkle, I find. And then I went for Salmon Silver Lined Alabaster, where it's almost translucent, but it's not quite. And then I've got Silver Lined Turquoise AB. So that's really pretty. Next, I've got Crystal Ivory Gold Luster. So it's a bit like, it's a transparent bead, sorry, like this, but it's got that gold luster, which when you see it next to just the regular clear bead, you can see that it's a bit more yellow. So pretty. And then we've got another of the alabaster. This is Blush Silver Lined, and it's actually a lot pinker off camera. It looks kind of beige, oatmeal colour. It's really a lot pinker off camera. Next we got Transparent Pale Pink AB. Again, this is a little bit pinker off camera. It is pale pink, but it's not showing up quite the same. And then Lime Lined Crystal AB, so that's the same one but smaller. Really pretty. Then Lined Light Violet AB. I'm really just going all in on the rainbows. And this one, which is kind of similar to that one, which is Silver Lined Amethyst AB. And it's a lot more rainbowy. You can see it when I bring it up close and it doesn't focus, but it looks like that in person without being so close. So that's that one. And then finally, this baby pink Ceylon. Like a ballet slipper pink. And then that is all the beads that I've got recently. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and seeing all of these beads that I've brought, and if you liked any of them, I'll leave the shop links all down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, or anything else you'd like to see. Comment down below. Let me know which was your favourite. I think mine is the little fishies, but I do love these purple. But how cute. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Like this video if you enjoyed, and subscribe to see more of my videos. And you can follow me on Instagram at Beading by Hannah. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye. Also, comment down below any other shops that you usually buy from. I'd love to check out some more shops. I'm always looking for new bead shops. So comment down below where you like to get your beads. Thanks. Bye.